Hi, I'm Seach, and I'm super excited to share with you about my online hip hop dance class. This class is great because it offers the flexibility of a self-paced class, the personal feedback you'll get directly from me, like a private class, and all that at an affordable price of a 1-unit class here at Cabrillo. In this class, you will be able to watch and practice along with me using my dance tutorial videos in the comfort of your own home or anywhere you like at any time. You will get weekly personal feedbacks from me via video conferencing tools like Zoom and from video submissions. I have been actively dancing and teaching for over 20 years. I have performed with members of the Jabberwockies, appeared on America's Got Talent, but I'm most proud and honored of the fact my students wrote awesome reviews for me. Feel free to check them out on Yelp and search for Dance with Seach. Don't let another few months pass by without learning to dance. Register online at cabrillo.edu. Space is limited. Sign up as soon as possible, and I look forward to meeting you in my class.